Society as a whole has failed the social media experiment, and that's because the negative impact of it largely outweighs the positive impact. But to say there's no positive impact would be incorrect, because we are essentially in a communication, community, creativity and learning golden age, if we choose it to be. And abstinence of these devices and these technologies doesn't give us the mastery of the positive elements. It cuts out the negative elements, sure.
Judo chopper. It's always good.
But you're no longer participating. And we should admit that the passive participation with these devices make us prey and vulnerable to the algorithm essentially stealing our attention. And yet, these same mechanisms can be leveraged. They can be leveraged to essentially trick our dopamine systems into being pulled into the future that we want, but it requires active participation. Now, I've got a few methods that you can use for active participation, and see if they work for you. First of all, you need to dedicate, say, 20 minutes once a week to actively choosing your teachers and your influencers and the things that you wish to see on the algorithm, which means searching for it and essentially doom scrolling on only that topic. And as soon as another topic appears, you cut out, you leave the device, and then you go back in and search for that again. Because then the algorithm will start to say, when I show them anything other than that specific interest, they leave. And that's the trick. The algorithm doesn't want you to leave. It will try to keep you to stay. And you can cultivate the things that you've identified that you wish to become. And you've identified the things and the teachers that you need to see on your device in order to become that. And you tell the algorithm, this is the only thing that I am wanting to see. Well, then it will show it to you. And through osmosis, you will be dragged by this incredibly addictive, powerful technology into the future that you wish.
Get me out of here! Loser.
So no, you don't need to give up social media. You don't need to give up these devices, but end the passive participation with them and start actively encouraging it. Take a moment, have a think. Write down a list of the person that you wish to become or the things you want to be interested in. And then afterwards, sit down and go and find the best teachers or the best artists or the best creators in that space and spend some time with them. Subscribe to them. Whatever it is that you need to do in order to trick the algorithm into showing you more. And realistically, that is just participating more in it. You don't need to do a lot, but if you start the ball rolling and you start this momentum going, essentially it will start helping you. It will start showing you these things, and you don't need to be actively looking for it anymore. But you do need to, at least for a month, redefine your algorithm. And so can you do this? Can you, for 1 month, take a moment to say, I need to redefine and recalibrate this technology to serve me rather from it taking from me? Ooh.